Mexico. And it is
Well, I'm going to
2:41.
We got two maps, so I'm going to find out what the route is.
And we're tired, but we're listening to a book on tape. And we're relaxing in the car. The car is comfy.
Well, we do radio with each other. We got that. So that's good.
I'm tired.
Yeah, I mean, it's not so, I'm just complaining. There's a long...
Mom is kind of irritable because Casey's kind of being slow with her driving.
Long way.
Casey in that silver car in front of us.
Sorry, things were sad last night.
Dad and Jamie, but we'll get to see him in a week, so we'll be alright. And
Sitting with Ash now. Mamie's car has a CD player.
it's kind of, we're enjoying ourselves as
She
best
said,
we can.
well, there's
so.
apparently two types of AC. There's AC and then there's Super Maximum. But I don't know which one is which.
Mom, this is the max AC. Right there. See? The scenery is okay.
Okay. And then, so...
We're cloudy and deserts and rocks and all that stuff.
Okay.
Well, we're kind of tired, but we're enjoying ourselves. And we'll get to see friends.
Well,
when we
what
get
I
to
know is that when I turn that button, when I push the button for AC,